Belgium has a very developed economy and the country is at 25th rank in the world by its gross domestic product or GDP. When talking about the PPT or Purchasing Power Parity, Belgium has captured 37th place for quite a long time. Belgium has a free market economy which is based on both the industrial as well as service sector. The GDP of the country heavily depends upon exports and most of the industries and economic sectors manufacture products especially for exporting purpose. That's the reason why 2/3 of the GNP of Belgium depends on the exports. Belgium has a very well-developed and modern transportation infrastructure of railways, canals, ports and highways, and the country is well connected to the world. Belgium has a good amount of natural resource deposits. It includes silica sands, carbonates, limestone, diamond, zinc, lead, iron, black marble, silica, coal, fir trees, etc. Most of the carbonates of the country are used for the manufacturing of drinks, producing cement and in making glass. Belgium also exports some of its carbonates to Tanzania. Belgium is also very rich in coal deposits and it was one of the major coal producers in the early 19th and 20th century. Belgium has a very strong trade network. It is the 6th largest exporting country among the 28 members of the European Union. Major exports of Belgium include diamonds, heavy machinery and equipment, chemicals, metal and metal products and food products. The country imports raw material, raw diamonds, machinery and agricultural products from its neighbors. Basic figures. Belgium is an independent country which is listed among the high-incomes countries of Europe. Its nominal GDP is 49,268.13 crore USD. It is placed at 25th rank by its economy. The GDP per capita of Belgium is $46,316 with a GDP growth rate of 1.6% per annum. The country's economy mostly depends on services. Agricultural products are not a major contributor to the Belgium GDP and it accounts for only 0.8%. The service sectors, on the other hand, contribute a total of 78.1%. Belgium industries and exports account for 21.1% to the GDP. The main industries of Belgium include steel, textile, glass, paper, metallurgy, chemicals and food processing. The country is one of the world's major processor of copper, zinc, lead, radium and cobalt. A chronological view of Belgium economy. Belgium has a very long economic history. Belgium becomes independent from the Netherlands in 1831. In 1850 the National Bank of Belgium was founded. The country lost around 20% of its wealth when it was attacked by Germany in the World War I. It was again invaded by Germany in the Second World War. This really affected the country's growth. It then joined NATO in 1949. Then it joined the European Coal and Steel Community in the year 1952. Belgium was also hit by the financial crisis but it withstood its effects very cleverly. Now the country is regarded as one of the best places for investment and business.